This is where we're staying.
No!
They got these cabins in the back. We could stay here tonight, couldn't we?
No!
I don't know.
We're staying here.
Park there. Careful, this tree. Don't park under this tree. It's being held up by pieces of metal. You don't know?
The car is gonna break.
A little rusted. It's okay.
It smells like a cigarette. It smells not like smoke.
You gonna walk around the outside first?
What is this place? Oh, is this a store? Can we get our money and
What's
buy
that old
something?
van look like? Look from.
Can I get my hoodie?
Do you remember Leatherface?
Yeah.
This is his butcher shop. This is the van they drove in the movie.
He drew that.
This is the van that the people that got attacked were in. Yep, come on. Texas Chainsaw Massacre building. Come on. Yeah. We'll go inside and see what they have.
Did you know that this? Did you know that this place? Chainsaw Massacre place.
Yeah. What do you think, Waylon?
Hi guys.
Hey.
Just come check it out.
Yeah.
Roaming around.
Yep. I know. Your brother likes it.
Guess I was over. Who's over here?
Is that Jason?
Jason.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yep. Everyone.
Where's the grandma? It's creepy.
It's okay, Joe. That was real. Okay.
Creepy.
Ah,
Why is it so creepy? $40? No, this is for groceries. That is that groceries? Yeah, that's
Yeah,
groceries
there it
right
is.
there. $30. And you can also come green.
Look, I think this is where Uncle Alex got your thing.
Yay!
I guess you said it was
The
the
nun!
first
Where's the nun? That's $30.
Oil more.
And that's $30. That's $30. Wait, this is Ted! Kevin, you know your $100 back. Yeah. That's at home.
Look at that.
Well, if you had it, you could have bought three. But I had $10. Actually,
Oh, careful,
Careful,
Joe. Joe,
careful.
what are we doing?
yeah, what are we doing?
Don't touch so much.
There.
Yeah, let's touch.
Put that back up.
No touch.